Hey, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out Neapolitan Tangerines. Now, the name is trademarked, I believe, by Melissa's Produce, and you can see they weigh in around 1/4 of a pound, and that's a larger size. According to Melissa's website, they're a brand new hybrid available in limited quantities from December to January, so a short window where you could purchase these. Now, the drawback is they are slightly smaller, but they have big flavor, a high sugar content. They're mostly seedless, and they're very juicy. Now, they can also be refrigerated. I've tried them both ways. I actually prefer to eat them refrigerated. Well, either way, they both taste great. Now, they are pretty easy to peel. I'm still going to use a knife just to make it easy today. So you can see they are really juicy. Look at that juice just squirt out. And I've had a few seeds. I've had a few pounds of these to taste them and make sure I enjoy them. And they do have a really sweet flavor. I prefer, honestly, a sumo citrus is still my favorite citrus, but these are really enjoyable as well and relatively new. Nice and sweet. Really pretty exterior, and the perfect size for a snack. Really good, probably in a kid's lunch. Very rarely will you get a seed. Whoops, that was dangerous. And I do enjoy this fruit. Nice smell. And it's just a delicious, juicy tangerine if you like tangerines. This is probably my favorite tangerine I've had to date. And I do like its smaller size. You can just see how juicy they are and how easy they come apart. And they are a bit more on the mild flavor, so you don't get an intense citrus flavor, in my opinion. It's very mellowed out. Okay, so let's see the sugar content of these beautiful fruit. I'm gonna predict it's gonna be around 10. It is 11 1/10. So nice and sweet. Great for if you like tangerine juice. These would be excellent to juice. And definitely the membranes are easily consumed and easy to chew. And just a delicious overall fruit. I highly recommend you try to find them. You're running out of time this season. Hopefully they'll be around more next season. Look for this bag. I saw them in 1-pound bags. Cost us about $3.50. So beautiful fruits. Give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Take care.